Okay, so I've just received some vinyl records. For those who know me, I love the music industry, and if you follow me on Instagram, you know this, I love to shoot with music artists. So I just received some vinyl records because it's so long I wanted to learn how to play vinyl, and a friend of mine is gonna teach me. So I just bought some records because I have records in Spain, but it's so expensive to send them here because of Brexit and because they are quite heavy. So these are the vinyl records I just bought. Now you will see why I'm telling you this, basically. So these are the records, and I'm very happy with them. So I'm starting to build up a bigger collection. And this is related to your photography niche. So this is to mine. I love shooting with music artists or with any artist, really, because I love the creative industry, and I relate so much to everyone that is trying to chase their dreams in the creative industry, because I know it's very hard to make it as a musician, as a DJ, as a producer, as an actor, as a dancer, performer. So I love shooting with talents because of this reason. So this is very related to my passion with music. This is gonna help you a lot to find out your niche. I did last week a video about this if you wanna check it out, and I give you so many tips to learn about this further, so go check it out if you want. But if you have a concrete passion about something in particular, convert it into photography as well. So maybe you like wildlife documentaries. So then your niche could be wildlife photography, because if you like wildlife documentaries, chances are you're gonna freaking love shooting wildlife. So, because I love music, I shoot with music artists. The lockdown is gonna be lifted completely on Monday in London, and I'm starting to receive bookings. So this video is gonna be about how to contact clients, because I'm gonna start to contact myself. Right now I'm not doing it because, as you know guys, I'm trying to build up my career online as a photographer and creative director. There is so many things I'm doing, and I need the time for that. The thing is, like, so many clients are coming to me, they find my website, even through YouTube they are finding me, and they love my work, and I'm getting so many bookings, and I'm super busy. So I complain because I'm stressed, super stressed, but I won't complain because it's what I want. I'm living from my camera, I'm super happy with it, and this is what I'm gonna do. But now, when I finish these bookings next week, I'm gonna be more relieved. I'm gonna start to contact music agencies, music managers. I'm gonna contact so many people, and I'm gonna tell you in this video how you have to contact your clients, potential clients for your niche, to make sure they get back to you. So they reply the email, they reply your questions, or they get back to you to book you. Guys, we do these mistakes many times, so I'm gonna tell you how you have to do it and how you don't have to do it. And I know this because I did these mistakes myself, and so many of you are doing them as well, because I have conversations with you on Instagram and I try to help you out all I can. That's why I prefer to do videos, so I reply to everyone at the same time. So follow along till the end of the video, and I can assure you that you're gonna get bookings and more than you think. So for those who are new here, I'm a professional photographer and creative director, and I work as a freelancer full-time in London. I'm obviously Spanish, I think you can tell because of my accent, and it's 8 years ago that I came to the city with my camera, chasing my dreams, and I made it. It cost me a lot. It wasn't the first year or the second one or the third one. I have a full video about this telling you my story. But anyway, if you like this content and you want to make a living from your camera as well, follow my channel, subscribe, and like the video because it really helps me a lot. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you which things you shouldn't do, because everyone does these mistakes. I did them myself, and every beginner does them. I promise you that. So we're gonna start talking about that, and then in the end of the video, I'm gonna tell you how you have to do it to make sure you get bookings and your clients reply to you when you send emails. So we're gonna start for the things you shouldn't do. Don't look too formal or spammy. This is the first mistake everyone does, and I was the first one. I was thinking, like, being serious about it and super professional, people will get back to me. And it's the opposite. Nobody wants to work with someone boring or very serious or too formal. And sometimes the emails can look very spammy because it can be a very generic email. And if you are sending the same email to everyone, the same one, people remove it right away. I receive so many emails with offers and promotions and services, and I don't pay attention to them because they are like copy-paste and you can feel it. So don't be spammy and make them personal and very friendly. So be kind of balance between professionalism and casual as well. Being friendly always wins with this. Also, don't be too confident. When you write emails, everything looks more serious than it is. So it's good to put emoticons and put like kind of friendly words as well, because if you are too serious or too arrogant or too confident, people don't like you. You have to be very humble, very friendly, very approachable. If you are very confident of yourself, people don't like that because they don't know you. Once they know you, you can be more serious and stuff, but at the beginning, be confident, but not too much, because writing, you can misunderstand so many things. Same goes about looking insecure. So don't look too confident, but don't look too insecure, because insecurity kills bookings, I promise you that. And so many of you are texting me about this. You are not confident about getting paid. You are not confident about your quality. You are not confident about sending emails at all. Guys, if you have a portfolio, I do have plenty of videos about this, I'm gonna link down below. Go through them, build a portfolio. If you send a portfolio to a client, the client is never gonna expect more than the work they see from you. So be secure about your work, because regarding of your level, you have to be secure about it. If you show insecurity, you don't know how much to charge, you go around too much in the emails, the other person is gonna feel you're an EOE completely, even if you are, and they're not gonna book you. So guys, don't be too confident and don't be too insecure. Something in between always wins. And please have more confidence on yourself as well, because every one of you are telling me like you are too scared to charge, and this shouldn't happen, regardless of your level. Contact the clients matching your level. Contact the brands that they have really bad photography if you think like you don't have the level yet. So always contact clients you know you can improve their photography level. Otherwise, don't do it. But when you do it, make sure you are secure of your work and your fees. Don't give all the information in one go. This I used to do a lot. So I approached the client and I was very nice in the email, very professional, something casual. It was quite good. But then in the first email, I give them too much information. How many pictures I take, how much I charge. When they have everything straight, they don't reply to you, because if they don't agree with something, so many people are lazy and they don't get back to you to ask you for another thing. So always try to initiate conversation. If you give all the information in one go, you're not gonna give them the reason to reply to you. So don't give too much, make it short and sweet, always. Also, don't be too extensive. This is something everyone does. People are super busy. If they receive an email like this, they're not gonna read it even if they are interested. Because people nowadays are crazy busy, they receive many emails, and then if you give all the information and on top of that you are too extensive, it's a no. You have to make it short and sweet, and this is gonna work. So now we're gonna talk about how to do it, the tips you really have to follow to make sure they get back to you. Be professional and casual at the same time. You have to be super friendly, super professional. You have to find the sweet spot, because so many times, as I told you before about the things you don't have to do, you can look spammy. So be friendly. It's like it would be like a new friend for you. Maybe text them on Instagram, in a DM, or maybe on an email, but always be friendly and super polite. Don't be too friendly, because otherwise it's very unprofessional. So you have to find the right balance between both to don't look spammy and to make them feel warm towards you, because people love that. We are humans after all, and we don't like robots sending us emails, so be human and please be friendly. You have to be super friendly, and more nowadays with what's going on with the lockdowns and stuff, people miss human touch. People miss socializing a lot. So be super friendly. Nobody wants to work with a bloody arrogant, serious photographer. When you do pictures as well, you take hours with the client. Guys, I've been shooting for hours and hours and hours. Once I was shooting for 13 hours straight. You really have to get along with the team. If you are not friendly in the email, or they can feel you are not friendly at all, it's gonna make it harder for them to book you, because they wanna work with someone nice and bubbly and a bit open. So don't be so serious, don't be also shy. You cannot be shy if you're a photographer. At least if you're a portrait photographer, you have to be very open for everything. So please be friendly. And when you send the emails, please show them that you did your research. This is key, and this is a mistake I did as well. I used to copy paste the same email to everyone. Make it personal. That means every company you approach or every client you approach, what you have to do is research them. So I don't know, for example, you wanna shoot for a fashion brand. Make a research of the fashion brand, and then in the email, let them know like you research their website or their Instagram, and then tell them key points about their brand, so they feel like you take their brand. Tell them something nice about their product, that you really believe in their product, but you feel like the pictures should be in another way, why it should be that way. make sure they know you check their website and you took the chance to meet the brand. This is super crucial and this is gonna help you a lot because nowadays people copy-paste everything and people feel it. If they find in the email a photographer that really cares about their brand and you say nice things about their product and on top of it, how you can help them out personally, this is gonna give you so many points. And when you send the email, offer all your services. For example, I offer a lot of services because apart of being a photographer, I'm a creative director, I'm a stylist, I also do graphic design, I do video, I do websites as well. There is so many skills I have. So I do have like a PDF with all my services. So this way, you don't limit yourself just to photography. Maybe you like photography and you're a good copywriter. So put it in your services. Because many times you never know when they're gonna tell you, oh, I need pictures, but actually, if you offer copywriting, I need it as well. So that's what I do. Many times I send the fees and they see I do more stuff and they book me for more stuff. So then I get more money. So this is key as well. And another tip a friend of mine taught me time ago, this is something I never did before and actually works, is push for conversation. Always finish the email with questions because you are actually pushing them to reply. If you send an email giving all the information, which you shouldn't do as I told you before, and you finish the email quite formal and without questions, chances are they're not gonna get back to you. If you push for conversation, how are you, how are you doing, how do you feel about this, how do you think I can help you, what do you need exactly from photography, or what's your budget, we can talk about that. Always questions because you're gonna have more chances for the client to get back to you. And this is a trick I never did and what my friend taught me because he works in marketing, it really works. Like I was receiving way many more replies. So this is something super important as well that is gonna help you to get replies from them. And a little gift, many of you have it already, is a free email template I have to contact brands and to contact clients. This is an amazing base I didn't have, so I took the time to write it for you guys. I really hope it's gonna help you. I'm sure it will. Make sure to adapt it. Do your research as I told you before and adapt that email I'm gonna give you to that client or that brand you're gonna work for or you're gonna email to. So this is through my private community. I don't know if you know already, but I have a private community where I teach way more about photography and live from the creative industry. And I do share exclusive videos, exclusive tutorials, like how to do a double exposure in under 60 seconds, for example, to make this cool effect. Then I told you as well how I got featured in Canon Spain. Then I shared a video not long ago about how much I did in stock photography in May. And I do have a lot of useful resources over there, guys, if you are a member of my private community. So please take a look. Anyway, if you don't join me there as a member, which is a very, very tiny fee to support my work, it's completely okay because the template is for free. And I do have more resources for free as well, so feel free to take a look. I'm gonna put the link below. And the only thing you have to do is click there and go to the section Extras. And in Extras, you're gonna be able to see all the services I offer for free and some of them very cheap. But if you are a member, you have more free stuff, obviously. So guys, feel free to take a look. And I wanted to take the chance to thank everyone who is already a member over there, to every single subscriber that wished me happy birthday last week. It's so hard to be in London and my family is in Spain, all of them, things are going on and the times are very hard, you know this already, and it's hard to be far away from the family. And on my birthday, I was so nostalgic, but my friends here in London are freaking amazing. They made me feel amazing and you guys are sending me so many emails and private messages on Instagram and even here on YouTube. So thank you for that because it does help. I know many of you don't want to comment or they are shy to comment or just are lazy to do it. I understand. I watch a lot of YouTube and I don't comment too much. But guys, it helps me more than you think. And more now. I'm still a small channel and when you guys comment me and tell me that you like my videos, it really motivates me because now it takes me so much time and I freaking love to do it. But it's hard for me to keep up with client work sometimes. I work a lot and every time you send me a comment, it makes me super happy. Just a little comment telling me how you feel about my videos, if you like them, makes me super happy. I genuinely love to help you out because I never had anyone to help me. Nobody believed in me time ago. So I did suffer a lot. So everyone that texts me telling me, Laura, you are helping me out a lot. I want to make a living from my camera. I love your videos. This helps me so much to keep recording and keep preparing videos and push them out every single week. So thank you so much for your comments and I will see you very soon. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video and big love to you all.